Daddy,
and
Kittens!
are you ready to go outside?
Yeah.
So I give you lanterns, okay?
Okay.
One for you and another for you.
I wanted this one. Make for me the same one.
Okay, but you have to help me.
Okay, Daddy.
Hello! Today we will make a mid-autumn lantern. To make a mid-autumn lantern, we need fruit nets, pencil, double-sided sticky tape, eraser, just in case, red crayon, lights, glue, red cardboard, black cardboard, white thick paper, round transparent plastic box, scissors. These scissors are safe, so you don't need your parents around. And chopstick.
Ready, steady, go!
To make our lantern keeps its shape, we need to use a round transparent plastic box or the bottom part of the plastic bottle. Here you are!
And white ears, not orange ears. Sponsored by IQ English.